that why are most of the Muslims fundamentalists? Why are they terrorists? What is the meaning of the word fundamentalist? Fundamentalist is a person who follows the fundamentals. For example, a person, to be a good mathematician, he should know, he should follow and practice the fundamentals of maths. He should be a fundamentalist in the field of maths to be a good mathematician. For a person to be a good scientist, he should know, he should follow and practice the fundamentals of science. He should be a fundamentalist in the field of science to be a good scientist. For a person to be a good doctor, he should know, he should follow and practice the fundamentals of medicine. He should be a fundamentalist in the field of medicine to be a good doctor. You cannot paint all fundamentalists with the same brush. You can't say all fundamentalists are bad or all fundamentalists are good. For example, you have a fundamentalist robber who's expert in the field of robbing. But he's harmful for the society. He robs the people and doesn't promote brotherhood. He is not a good human being. On the other hand, you have a fundamentalist doctor who follows and practices the fundamentals of medicine and he cures the sickness of human beings. He is a good person. He helps the human being. So you can't paint all fundamentalists with the same brush. Regarding Muslim, the fundamentalist, I am proud to be a fundamentalist Muslim because I know, I follow, and alhamdulillah strive to practice the fundamentals of Islam. I am proud to be a fundamentalist Muslim, and every Muslim, to be a good Muslim, should be a fundamentalist Muslim. Otherwise he can't be a good Muslim. Every Christian, to be a good Christian, he should be a fundamentalist Christian, otherwise he won't be a good Christian. Regarding is a fundamentalist Muslim good or bad? That's the question. Alhamdulillah, the fundamentals of Islam, there is not a single fundamental of Islam which is against humanity. So far, many of the brothers pose certain questions because of the misconception. Because of the misconception, you may think that this teaching of Islam is wrong. So a person who has lack of knowledge, he may think that there are certain fundamentals of Islam which are wrong. But if anyone who has the knowledge of Islam, there is not a single teaching of Islam which goes against humanity, goes against society. I challenge anyone, not only in this audience, in the full universe, to point out to me a single teaching of Islam which is against the basics of humanity. Single. What is the meaning of the word terrorist? A terrorist is a person who causes terror. And sometimes for peace to prevail, you may have to cause terror. When a robber sees the police, he is terrified. So for the robber, the police is a terrorist. Right or wrong? I'm speaking English. I'm not playing around with words. I'm speaking English. Terrorist is the person who causes terror. So for the robber, for the criminal, for the antisocial element, the police is a terrorist. Whenever an antisocial element sees a Muslim, you should be terrified. Any robber sees a Muslim, you should be terrified. Any rapist sees a Muslim, you should be terrified. But I do agree that terrorist is a word normally used for terrorizing the common people, the innocent people. In this context, no Muslim should be a terrorist. He should not terrorize the innocent people. But where antisocial elements are concerned, where robbers are concerned, where criminals are concerned, as policemen are terrorists to the criminals, even the Muslim should be a terrorist to the criminal. And if you analyze, many a times, two different labels are given to the same person for his same activity. For example, there were many Indians who fought for the freedom of India. When the Britishers ruled India, there were many Indians who fought for the freedom of India. The Britishers called them as terrorists. These people are terrorists. But we Indians, we call these freedom fighters as patriots. Right or wrong? Patriots. They fought for the freedom of the country. Same people, same activity, two different labels. The Britishers called them as terrorists. The Indian citizens called them as patriots, freedom fighters. Same activity, same person, two different labels. So before you give a label, you should first analyze that which view do you adhere to. If you agree with the British view, that the British government had a right to rule over India, then you would call these people as terrorists. But if you agree with the Indian citizens that the Britishers, they came to do business and they started ruling us unlawfully, then you'll call these people as freedom fighters. So before you give any label to any particular person, you should analyze which view do you have. Same people can be given two different views by different people. In this context, I would say every Muslim should be a fundamentalist where Islam is concerned. Because every teaching of Islam promotes human values and humanity and universal brotherhood. Hope that answers the question.